Okay guys, so now I'm gonna create new scene for our Google VR. So firstly, just add, I think I wanna add a plane. Okay, so it will be a plane here, and I wanna make, what's this? Okay. I wanna make a spare. I think it's nice. Spare here. Okay. So yep, this is our spare. Okay, let's add the material. So okay, I'm gonna create new folder here. So just right click and create new folder. So this is our spare. Okay, so I'm gonna create another material. Okay, so I'll change the albedo here. Wait, what's wrong? Wait. Okay, so you have to change this, guys. So I'm gonna change it to like red. So I'm gonna go with the red. Right, and let's create one more for plane. Right, so for the plane, let's just make it. Oof, the color is so damn. I think we can go with the green. Okay, green. Okay, blue, dark blue. I don't like this dark blue. Okay, let's go with the green, but we're gonna change it to be more, yep, this green. Okay, all right, so I think so far so good now. So now, as you can see, guys, I'm clicking on the main camera and it shows that the main camera is here, meaning that I have to I can make it closer just to be in closer to our object. Alright, so that is how you control the camera. Okay, you can also make it up and down. Okay, right, left. Okay, so this is how it goes. Alright, so next, how to see this in Google VR Cardboard, which is in 360 degree and has two windows. So we have to add GVR emulator. Emulator is the thing that make the Google VR is working. Okay, so let's add it to the hierarchy. Just add it here. Alright. Okay, so now if we press play, we can see what is in the game. Let's see. Oh, it's nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing. What is wrong? Okay. It's just dark. Yep. And we can only see pointer here. So what is wrong? Okay, let's see what is wrong. So what is happening, guys? Basically, the camera moved from here to the middle of the object. That's why we only see the shadow and we don't see anything. Let's hit the play button again to make you clear where the position of the camera is. Right? See? The camera moved to the middle, right? Automatically. Makes us cannot see anything beside the shadow. The camera moved by itself without our control, automatically to the middle without any instruction from us. So means we have to create another controller for the camera, right? Another thing to control the camera, which is in this context is a game object. All the things in the Unity is called game object. So we have to create other game object to control this camera. So once we unpress the play button, it will go back to the previous position, which is in the almost in the end of the plane. Okay, so we have to create the controller of the camera now. So let's just right click and create empty game object, and we name this what is it? Let's just name it controller camera controller. Okay, so how to make this camera controller able to control the main camera here? So we have to make the main camera as the child of the camera controller. So let's move it. Yep, so it's here. Okay, so once we play this, it should be fine. The main camera is already as the child, as the camera controller. So now we will play this again. Okay, so let's move this main camera. Let's make this and reset all this. Right click and press reset, and let's just move this main camera. Yeah, okay, so we have moved the camera controller, and also we have reset the position of the main camera. Okay, so now let's play it and see how it goes. Yep, great, we can see anything now. We can see everything. Don't forget to hit the Alt button on your keyboard to see everything. You can see that the camera is not moving to the middle again, because we are now control it using the camera controller. So the camera controller control the main camera, and we can move it anywhere we want. Alright, so for the next, we want to see any pointer because we want to interact with our object. So let's just, we will find first, okay, the pointer. Alright, so after editor emulator, the thing to run our application, the next important thing for developing our VR app is the pointer. So let's just find the pointer. Okay, so we found this GVR reticle pointer. Okay, since we have to interact with this pointer when we use the camera, so we have to put it under the main camera, because when we point our camera to the object, we will see. Okay, let's just play this. Okay, so we want to see the pointer when we move our camera, right? Okay, so the pointer logically should be under the main camera. Okay, so we click here and we move to below here. Okay, we have to move the practical pointer as the child of the main camera. Okay, and in order to have this, we also have to have the friend of the reticle pointer, which is the physics raycaster. Okay, so we have added the GVR reticle pointer, and you can see that we have the pointer already. Yay! You can see that yellow thing, it's the pointer, right? Okay, so this is the color of the pointer. Okay, but anyway, we still have to add one more thing, which is this one, GVR pointer physics raycaster. So this is the thing that we have to add as the friend of the GVR reticle pointer. Okay, so when you just add this reticle pointer without adding this as the component, okay, so you can just type here and find search physics raycaster and it will pop up. So these two will work together. Okay, so when we play this, you can see that we will see the pointer everywhere we go, right? So we can start to interact with the object. Okay, so in order to interact with the object, we have to add one more component, which is GVR event system. So let's just unplay this button and we search here. We can search by event. So this is GVR event system. You can just move it here, voila. Okay, we can start to do another thing now. Okay, because we haven't put any interaction coding or the script to our object, that's why we cannot interact with it. So now is the time to put the script. Before we add the script, I just want you to know that you can always change the color of the pointer here. Click on the reticle pointer and click the color. So you can change the color. I always wanna make it yellow to make it contrast with the red color. So if you wanna change, for example, to green, yes, we can change it to the green, and let's just hit the button play. It should be changed to the green now. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, great.